In this video, I'm going to show you what I believe to be the number one way to make passive income, and that is via QYLD. QYLD is a covered call ETF which aims to pay monthly distributions and has done so for 9 years since inception. Looking at its current stats, QYLD is trading for about $18 with an annual dividend of $2.12. This is a yield of almost 12%. And where in most cases yields of 12% should be looked at with a degree of skepticism, QYLD has managed to consistently pay out since 2013, month on month, with income generated and paid like clockwork. Investing in QYLD is simple. It simply requires you to use some form of investing platform. In my case, this is eToro. And by logging in, I simply go to the search bar and search for QYLD. Upon selecting trade, I input the amount that I wish to trade. I can currently have a balance of $39 available here, so we'll input this into the trade form. By selecting set order, I am now putting in a market order to be cleared at the point where the market is open for an amount of $39 for QYLD. In this case, the $39 gets me 2 more shares of QYLD, which takes my total in my portfolio to 222 units. So far, QYLD has paid me in excess of $470. Considering I only started investing in this 2 years ago, that is a ridiculous amount of income. Now my monthly income from QYLD is in the region of $35. This is what income I do not have to do any additional work for, and I will continue to add to. The compounding rate of QYLD is amazing and is the simplest and cheapest way to gain passive income without any effort. The 12% yield has the power to compound quickly over time. And if you would like more tips and other instruments which can also compound your investments and grow your income, like and subscribe.